Okay. So today, I'm gonna show y'all how to put in a battery for 2018 Camero. See that? That's what I do. I install car batteries. Here we got the 800 co-cranking amp interstate is gel. Pretty pricey battery. And these new cars, they're tricky. It's a heavy ass battery too. But here we go. Look, it's in the trunk, tucked in the corner. Now the older models, I'm thinking like 16 and down, they have them under here in the where the spare tires, under the spare tire. You think it's hidden? Well, it is hidden, but it's there. I like it here more though. It's a lot more easier. You ain't got to take out a whole spare tire. And just doing the most, you know. So here we go. Give me 1 second, y'all. So here we go. Okay, so right here, you slide it in. And okay, hold on. Wait, it's the wrong battery. The boss gave me the wrong battery. See, the boss, I work with a moron, you guys. Now I gotta go back to the shop and get the right battery. This is actually a group size 34. This is not the 48. That's what it calls for. That's a group size. The batteries have a group size number, like right here. Look, see that 48? It's the group size. This is a 34 because see that. So the positives on this side. This positive is on this side. So this is the 48. Although he thought it was the 48 because of this rim. What he didn't check to look was the negative and positive. But we're human, you know what I'm saying? We make mistakes. And it gets me out of the shop longer. I get to cruise the mean streets of Fresno. So obviously I can't close this damn trunk, because then I can't get back in. So let me see if I just, nope, that's too damn heavy to do that. It's not like anybody's getting in it, it's locked. So I'll show y'all how to put the group size 48, not the 34, in that Camero